So here for delayed emission of fluorescence, we have already seen the diagrams. Now in that case, the rate for that delayed emission of fluorescence will be equals to A exponential of del A st by RT. So this is equation number 1. Now when you have to you have to know about the quantum efficiency of phosphorescence, then you will write the formula that is equals to quantum efficiency is equals to rate of emission to that of rate of absorption. So the quantum efficiency for that process will be equals to, as it is a phosphorescence process, so we have already seen in the earlier lectures about this equation. So phi 5 times p, phi p is equals to quantum efficiency of triplet state formation, because during phosphorescence process there will the first step is triplet state formation, and that the molecule from triplet state will emit the radiation and will give the fluorescent radiation. So the and will give the phosphorescent radiation. So the quantum efficiency, the rate for that phosphorescence emission to that of the complete rate of absorption will be Kp plus Kisc plus Ked, which will include the intersystem crossing process, that is triplet singlet to triplet conversion from triplet to S0 state, and then there may be the possibility of delayed emission. And phi Ed will be equals to, as there it will involve along with the phi t, it will also involve the quantum efficiency of fluorescence. So phi Ed is equals to phi t into phi f Ked divided by all these same things. So when you will divide the equation 3 by equation 1, so when here you will divide the equation 3 by equation 2, at that time you will get all these factors which will get cancelled out, that is phi t gets cancelled out, and these factors which are in the denominator gets cancelled out, and you will get the equation that is phi ed upon phi p is equals to phi f times Ked by Kp. So placing the value of Ked, what is the value of Ked? It is A exponential of del E st by RT. So placing that value, you will get this equation, that is phi Ed by phi p is equal to phi f times A exponential of del E st by RT divided by phi p. Now from this equation, when you plot a graph, you can get the value for del E st, and it is nearly same for eosine, which is being observed to be 42 kilojoule per mole, or we can say 10 kilocalorie per mole. And here you will see that the intensity of delayed emission of fluorescence for 2 band is independent of triplet formation, triplet quenching, and the intensity of absorption. But the rate of emission, that is Ked, is dependent on temperature. So this is all for E-type fluorescence, E-type delayed emission of fluorescence.